On this particular day that I decided I wanted to put some fall pieces out on our hot cocoa bar, it happened to be raining hard, which I thought made this decorate with me a little more cozy. I started by making a new pumpkin spice hot chocolate recipe, which I will be sure to link in the description, and then I lit a leaves candle and of course put on a Halloween film. Hello friends, I am doing something I've never done before, and that is putting out some fall decor in August. I have good reasons though, and that's because I wanted to have more spooky Halloween vibes over here in this corner for actual Halloween, but I also wanted to enjoy the regular fall decor because this is a new area and I have never got to decorate it for fall. So I figured I might as well just do both. The idea for today is to turn this area into a pumpkin spice hot chocolate bar. That's kind of the vibe that we're going for today. I already brought up some of my fall bins, so I'll be going through some of those things and then incorporating some of the new finds that I got this year. I feel like everything I've picked out so far has been specifically for this area, so I'm really excited to see how all of this turns out. Before we get started, we do have a sponsor today, and one that I'm really excited to be working with again, and that is Helix Mattress. So I've had my Helix mattress for 3 months now, and it's by far been the best mattress we've ever owned. I used to wake up almost every morning with some kind of sore area on my body from sleeping wrong, but I'm not kidding, my night's sleep has been incredible since the day we got this mattress. Even to the point I'm talking about this to my friends. In fact, one of my best friends was on the hunt for a mattress, and I told her before she bought one, she had to come over, just sit on my bed and see what she thought. So her and her husband ended up buying one, and they've had theirs for a few weeks now, and they've told me that they've never had a better night's sleep. So I'm telling you, this mattress is amazing. Helix Sleep makes premium mattresses and bedding that are customized to fit your needs and conveniently shipped right to your door. Everybody's different, and Helix knows that, so they made a sleep quiz to match your unique body type and sleep preferences to the perfect mattress for you. They have something for everyone's unique taste, and if you have a partner, you can even take the sleep quiz together and find something that's the perfect compromise for you both. I personally am a side sleeper, I like a soft mattress, and I shared this mattress with my husband. So based on our results, Helix matched us with the Sunset Luxe mattress. With your Helix mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 10-year warranty, and there are financing options and flexible payment plans. So if it makes you nervous to buy something that you haven't tried, you get more than 3 months to make sure that you love it, and if you don't, they'll pick it up for you and you will get a full refund. I personally love my Helix, and I think you would too. So if you're looking for a new bed, be sure to check out Helix. Click on the link below or go to helixsleep.com/thehues for up to $200 off your Helix mattress plus 2 free pillows. Thanks again, Helix, for sponsoring today's video. To begin this decorate with me, I'm just showing you my counter with all the items I thought I could use in this area. I'm sure you'll notice a lot of the same items like my cake stand, my cutting boards, rolling pins, but I'm just incorporating a few fall items on each shelf. On the bottom shelf, I was inspired by my mantle last fall, and I'm kind of doing the same thing where I lay down some stems and then put some pumpkins on top. But I will be sure to list all of the items in the description of where everything is from. A hot cocoa bar wouldn't be complete without hot chocolate and all of the toppings, so I thought some cinnamon and other seasonings would be perfect to sprinkle on top of your hot chocolate, along with some fall leaf sprinkles that I found at Hobby Lobby this year. And then in these larger jars, I thought mini marshmallows and candy corn would be perfect. All of these jars are from the Dollar Tree. In the evening, it got pretty chilly, so we decided to make our first fire of the season and play a game of Clue with some hot chocolate.